Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting problem that can occur when working with Java programming. The problem we're tackling involves matching input strings and checking for a specific value within them. It seems like the user is experiencing some unexpected behavior with their code, getting both true and false results when running it multiple times. Let's see what's going on. Now, onto the solution. The code provided offers a simple, yet effective way to address the issue at hand. We start by prompting the user to input a word they want to search for, which is stored in the variable word to search. Then, the user is asked to input a sentence to be checked. This sentence is split into individual words and stored in an array called words. Moving on with the solution, the program iterates through each word in the words array and compares it to the word to search. If a match is found, it prints out the word followed by yes. Otherwise, it prints out no. This straightforward approach helps in identifying if the specific word provided by the user is present in the sentence. Continuing with the explanation of the solution, let's take an example scenario to illustrate how the code works in action. Suppose the user enters cheese as the word to search for and cheeseburger as the sentence to be checked. In this case, the program will output cheese yes, indicating that the word cheese was found in the sentence. In summary, we've addressed the problem of matching input strings and checking for a specific value using a clear and concise Java program. I hope this solution sheds some light on the issue faced by the user. Remember, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!